come from a multicultural background, and with that comes the cultural pressure of how to behave in society and how to deal with your emotions. Jaguar Jones is a vehicle for me to express freely the primal, raw side of Dina that needs to get unleashed. I actually had COVID-19 myself, and I was really sick for 2 months. Those 2 months were filled with so much fear, anxiety, and uncertainty. But this festival, it got me so excited that I could just kind of escape into another world and create in a different way. And it gave me purpose and it gave me drive during a very bleak time. I want people to feel that when they enter this room. Hey, welcome to my head. Be scared, but be excited.